In this video, we will provide detailed answers to our most frequently asked questions about the Wood County fire fee. We will discuss what the fire fee is, when to pay it, and what to do if your information changes. Additionally, we'll explain what the fire fee supports and why it is important to pay. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more information and reminders about important due dates. To begin, what are Wood County fire fees? Fire fees are not a tax, but rather a service fee charged for volunteer fire protection. This fee is paid by residents living in Wood County, outside Parkersburg city limits, to fund the county's volunteer fire departments. Fees are calculated based on the square footage of your home, business, or any structures on your property. Residents within the city of Parkersburg pay a separate city fee for their police, fire, and sanitation services. The cities of Vienna and Williamstown have volunteer fire departments that receive funding from the county fire fee and do not have a city fee to supply their fire protection. So, when are they due? Fire fees are generated and made available for online payment in January, can be paid in person after January 10th, and must be paid by April 15th of the same year. Late payments incur interest of 2% for residential and 5% for commercial accounts. Statements are finalized on January 10th, so any payments made after that date will not be reflected in the statement you receive in February. If you have questions about your statement, you can contact the Wood County Fire Service Board at 304-424-1991. If you are unable to reach someone, please leave a message, and they will return your call during business hours. You can pay your fire fees in person at the Wood County Sheriff's Tax Office, located at 319 Market Street, Parkersburg, West Virginia, 26101. It is situated inside the Judge Black Annex, opposite the Blennerhassett Hotel. Payments can be made with cash, check, money order, or credit or debit cards. Please note that there is a convenience fee for transactions made with debit or credit cards. You can also pay by mail using the return envelope provided or an envelope addressed to the Wood County Fire Service Board at P.O. Box 2005, Parkersburg, West Virginia, 26102. Checks or money orders should be made payable to Wood County Fire Service Board. If you choose to send cash through the mail, which we strongly advise against, please be aware that we cannot provide change for mailed-in transactions. Additionally, there have been instances where coins have torn open envelopes, causing payments to be lost. There is also the option of paying online at woodcountywv.com under the Services tab by selecting the fire fee option. You can look up your fire fee using the year and ticket number, the account number or customer number on your statement, your last name followed by your first name, or your mailing address. Online payments require a debit or credit card and will incur a convenience fee. For a more detailed look at the online payment of fire fees, please check out our other video, which guides you through the online payment system step by step. How to change my information. This is your fire fee invoice, which should be received in February each year. Looking at the Return This Portion with Your Yearly Payment section at the bottom third of your invoice, corrections to names can be made in the box on the bottom left-hand side. For address changes, use the Mailing Address Changes line on the bottom right-hand side to write your new address. These corrections can be submitted with your payment, either by mail or in person. Currently, there are no alternative methods for updating your fire fee contact information. If you have added a new building, demolished a building, or believe the fire fee is inaccurate, please contact the Wood County Fire Service Board at 304-424-1991. So who benefits? We pay the fire fees to support 10 volunteer fire departments in our county: Washington Bottom, Lubec, Blennerhassett, Mineral Wells, Waverly, Eastwood, Pond Creek, Deerwalk, Vienna, and Williamstown. This funding assists with the operational costs of the fire fee departments. When they incur expenses, they submit invoices to the Wood County Clerk's office for payment using the fire fee funds. These invoices can include various items such as safety gear, like helmets, boots, or gloves, medical supplies, utility bills, and equipment costs. The fire fee not only support our volunteer fire departments, but also play a critical role in ensuring public safety and effective emergency response. Why is this important? For instance, a fire department's hose lines must be tested annually to ensure that they can withstand extreme conditions like chemical spills, heat, or freezing temperatures. These hose lines not only deliver vital water to extinguish fires, but also serve as safety ropes to guide firefighters back out in low visibility situations. It takes at least $45,610 to equip one fire engine with all of the necessary hose lines to remain operational. Although hose lines do not usually require replacement all at once, having multiple sets is essential to keep a fire truck ready for emergencies. This concludes our video. We hope you found it informative and that some of your questions about the fire fee were answered. If you have any further questions, please reach out to the Wood County Fire Service Board. Thanks for watching, and until next time.